The government is this evening taking a hardline position on the murder of children, declaring that those convicted of such crimes should never return to society. Justice Minister Delroy Chuck is among those talking tough. His comments come on the heels of the murder of a minor in Denham Town a few days ago.
The gruesome killing of 3-year-old Jay Spinnock in Denham Town a few days ago sent shockwaves across the country and sparked outrage from some residents.
Look on the bed, look on the pillar, see the flesh there, look at boy fleshed up on the bed. They've invaded the home and kill one 3-year-old. One look at 3-year-old. This past crazy, a wickedness. A wickedness. See, look at baby there. Look at baby. Him fine. Him not have no flesh on him body for take no gunshot. Look bit of baby.
The police have since launched a manhunt for the suspects, and already 2 persons of interest have surrendered to the Hunts Bay police. The gruesome incident has caught the attention of Justice Minister Delroy Chuck, like many others who've condemned the killing. Amid renewed calls for stiffer penalties for those who murder and harm children, we sought a reaction from Minister Chuck on Tuesday.
The real challenge is to make sure that the evidence is available, and on matters where children are murdered, I think at a minimum, the DPP should ask for capital murder, and if capital murder, non-capital murder, and they plead guilty to non-capital, the person should be sentenced to life, never see the outside again. Because persons who, especially this 3-year-old who was murdered, can deliberately see a child and pump bullets into several people. They don't deserve to be on the outside.
The Ministry of Education is providing psychosocial support to the Edward Seaga Primary School, and it's understood that several interventions are expected to be rolled out in the Denham Town community in the coming days. Adding her voice to the conversation, Education Minister Dr. Dana Morris-Dixon argued that the protection of children must remain a top priority.
Stiffer penalties, Jamaicans are calling for it. It is obviously something that us as legislators, we have to heed that call. But we have to do more than that too. Yes, we have to change the laws, but we have to do the work in order to make our families more whole. These men or women or whoever it was that perpetrated this crime, they came out of families. Our families are broken. There's work we have to do.